Today, we're going to make this paper airplane. The way you fold the paper determines how the plane will fly. Similar to a real plane, the shape of the plane and angles of the wings control what the plane can do. Some planes are designed to carry people and cargo, while others are designed to be fast and maneuverable. When folded correctly, this plane can roll in midair. To make this paper airplane, all you're gonna need is a regular sheet of paper. It could even be a piece of notebook paper. We'll also need some colors to design the airplane when it's finished. Make sure you pay close attention to the folds we're doing because this isn't your standard paper airplane. There are gonna be some unique folds to it, and that's gonna help change the way that it flies. First, we're gonna fold the paper hot dog style. A hot dog fold means that you're folding it long ways so that it looks long, like a hot dog bun. And then we can open it back up. All we are doing is marking the center of the paper. Next, we're gonna fold the corner to this center line, like you would any normal paper airplane. If you don't know where to put the corner to get this lined up correctly, here's a little strategy. Put it anywhere on the line and then just trace the line until the edge matches. So you can see I started up here and then I just slid it down until it was even. Let's crease that down really well. We don't want this paper airplane to fall apart when it's flying and crash. We're gonna do the same thing with the other side. This side's a little easier because you're just gonna bring the corner to meet the other corner. Try to not overlap them though. See, they're very close together, they're next to each other, but they're not on top of each other because that might make it difficult later on. The next thing we're going to do is flip the paper over and fold the corners into the center again. So I'm gonna fold it like this. Remember though, if you don't know where it goes, you just put this corner anywhere on the center line and then you just follow the line until the two edges match. So see, all I did was slid it down and now it's in position. So that's how you find the correct place for the corner. And then we're gonna do the same thing with the other side. Match these two corners together and press it down. I think I want them to be closer. There we go. All right, so far, pretty standard for a paper airplane. Here's where it's gonna get a little weird. So now we're going to fold out the corners that we folded on the other side. So we're gonna fold this out. See, it's right here. We're gonna fold it out. So it should look like there's a square right here at the top. And then the wings of the plane are coming out from underneath. All right, the weirdness continues. Now we're gonna fold this corner down to this corner. So we're folding this square in half. So the corner at the top is coming down to the bottom corner of this square. So this paper airplane may in fact be an alien paper airplane because it's looking really strange. We're going to fold the paper in half with the triangle right here on the outside. So don't put it on the inside. See this flat, smooth part? That's the inside. So all of this mess is gonna be on the outside of that plane where you can see it when you fold it. Like so. And now we're just going to fold down one wing fold down one wing, flip it over, and fold down the other wing to match. See how everything's lined up? Just fold it down to match. All right, so now we have this little strip in the middle to hold on to, and we have the two wings on the sides. Now, one thing I like to do, you don't have to, it works just like this, but I like to fold one of these on top, and I'm gonna fold the other one exactly the same way, but on the bottom. So one is on top and one is on the bottom. So what that does is, it still looks pretty symmetrical, but we've got this flap on the top, this flap on the bottom, so that when it flies, it's going to do a spin. It's gonna roll when it flies, because the air is going to, it's gonna go up this side and down this side, and it's gonna spin in the air, which I think is pretty cool. The only thing left to do is to get our colors out and decorate it. We talked a lot about it being weird, so you could give it a really weird design. And here's our rolling airplane. When I designed it, I was thinking of an alien spaceship. And I thought it'd be kind of cool if the alien spaceship reminded us a little bit of a creature. So I added this spine type shape on the body of the plane. And then I added these rib type lines on the wings. And I even made the front windows look a little bit like eyes. And we have the nose of the plane, and I made sure to color that so it stood out. And then finally, these two flaps kind of reminded me of fangs or tusks. And this is the part that makes the plane roll when it's flying through the air. So I hope you like the way you decorated your plane. Remember, it could be like the planes you see in real life, or it could be something more imaginative like my alien spaceship. I'll see you next time. Bye.